have any idea how hard it is to blow in this thing. Maybe if I got on my knees it'd be easier. Ayo! Oh my god, that's so not going in the video. Oh, I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Hello. Okay. Oh, pardon me. Oh my god. That wasn't very Christmassy. So when you're done, it'll look something like this. Makeup or STD? I can't say that. Okie dokie, so to get things started, we're gonna... Okie dokie, so to get things started, we're gonna make the iconic wig / headdress for this makeup. For this look. Okie dokie, so to get things started, we're gonna make the iconic headdress / wig for this makeup. Look. Okie dokie, so to get things started, we're gonna make the iconic wig / headdress for this creation. Look. For this look. Okie dokie, so to get things started, we're gonna make the iconic wig / headdress for this makeup. Fuck! I wanna say look, I keep saying makeup. Anyway, I better get going then. Yep. I'll probably see you in the read along or another stream, but why's my watch buzzing? How the fuck have I done 10,000 steps? I'm sitting down!
Your hands are moving.
yeah, right, it's gonna talk too much like that. Fucking hell. I've done 10,000 steps talking, lovely. Brilliant, alright. Okie dokie, so the first step for this makeup is going to be to pop on a plain latex ball cap. But I think it's a little very floppy. Just suggestive. Oh my god, I look fantastic.
Ah, yeah.
I look so cute! Okay, let's go.
Thanks for your feedback.
What the bloody hell was that? Did Alexa just auto-tune at me? She just said thanks for your feet. Okay. But then I heard about the new horror movie coming out about the Grinch called The Mean One, which is a much more So to do this, you're gonna need... Is that my tummy? Yeah. Can I make that jump? Oh god. Yes, we can. Oh, thank god. Oh, that's me. There is another one. It depends if you can do it without giggling, because I'm a child and I couldn't do it without giggling. And with strange motions, slow and stiff. I'm such a fucking child. I'm 33. Grow the fuck up, Charlie.
I felt that though.
I know. So then, when that's nice and dry, we can take a black alcohol activated colour and we can apply that to the rim. No. So then, when that's nice and dry, we can take a black alcohol activated colour and we can apply that to the rims. Why did I could have just said edges? No. Colour and we can apply that to the rim. Oh, there's my tummy. There's the tape rewinding. Oh. My ears! I'm naked without my ears.
Come life or death, see how he hangs.
I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Fuck. I'm so sorry. This is all me. Then next we can work on adding the two eye tubes. I say eye tubes because they're like two balls with like a really long tube. Sorry. It just sounds really phallic. I can't say it any other way. It's a much more rough and sinister makeup, so I thought I'd give it a go. I kind of fuck off. But everyone I've spoke to have said the same thing. They've all said it's bloody horrible and...
Actually, hang on. When you're gesturing, you're grabbing your own whiskers.
Uh-oh. Fix me, please. I don't... Oh, God. Is it fixed?
Okay. Yeah, they're fixed. They're fixed.
Oh, my God, thank you. Sam's my professional fluffer. No. No. Shh. It didn't happen. Shh. It didn't happen. Shh. Oh god. I'm hot now. I'm very hot.
And clambered down the gibbet tree.
Okay, one more time. Fuck. Okay. Sorry. I really want it to pop.
And clambered down the gibbet tree.
I thought I had more turns. Oh, that made me jump. Whew. Fucking hell.
Please keep that take in the fucking video.
Yeah. Okay. So you then want to take the end of that wall, so the 50 centimetres... Oh, sugar. Then finally, I can take the same red watercolour as before and colour in the rest of my face, my neck, and my ears. Wait, that's my... there. I can see right through you. Look at your little teeth. Okay, right, so I guess, is this the toy maker's house? Maybe. Uh-oh. Bloody hell! Am I ever going to be rid of sneezing? Never. It's my fate. Wait, you turn on? What do you do? Oh god! There's a switch! It does things! Hang on, look, look, look! Oh fuck me! Oh, no, there's spooky, then there's spooky, right? Jeez. I'm gonna cut this off though. Ah! Shit! It's talking! It's talking! Just...
Those are going into the
Oh. I'll pop a link on the screen up there to the video that I did in the Ghost of Christmas Past. Just sorry, that was really, I had to say it. Oh. I lost my key. Can you find it? Okay. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no. Oh. Nope. No, we're not done yet. Oh, now we are. Oh. Whew. And then I can pop that over the top of the polystyrene ball and then stick that down halfway. Oh, crap. Yes!
Of course.
It's not me that fluffed up. Oh god, if my hat falls off, Jesus. That would have been fucking dramatic irony right there. Stay, there we go, there we go. Then I'm just going to take my hot glue gun again, apply some just to the back on the underside, and then pinch the two back sides together. That makes sense. Is that definitely right? Because I didn't look yet. I think so. Grammy's pushing you off! Santa, you... Oh. I probably shouldn't say... I'm sorry, Santa. That's Santa, not, yeah. Oh god.
You're on the naughty list. No,
none of the fucking naughty list! No, don't say that, take it back.
You're not on the naughty list.
Yeah. So for the first step, we're going to take our tape measure and we're going to measure the circumference of our head. I've already done mine and spoiler alert, it's massive. I've got a huge head. No. Get your mind out of the gutter. Fuck it, I'm going to leave that one in.